Hello, this is a review of the Sylstar Backpack Electric Sprayer, 12 litre capacity. So it says on the box, battery powered, long life lithium battery, blah blah blah. I'll let you read the rest. So we're going to open it up, put it together and see what it can do. Okay, so let's have a look in the box. So there's two arms, that looks like the part of the lance. That's all that's in the box. Looks like we've got the main unit. So the straps were already attached, that's handy. At first I didn't think there was any instructions, but have a look inside here, the filter, and it looks like everything is inside here. So I've got instructions, have to get out, cable, the hose part, I know what that's for, looks like a back support or something. Handle for the lance. Looks like the charger. Okay, and what else we got in here? Measuring cup. And looks like an array of, there's a few washers in there and nozzles, I'm guessing that's all in that one. Anything else? No, I think that's it for now. So we'll have, okay, so at first I didn't think there was any battery in it, but the battery is already in it. It's on this compartment on the side. If you slide it up, you can see the battery's in there. Okay, so I was looking all over to find out where you actually charged it, but by the look of it, if you pull the battery out, there's an input there for the charging lead. So I think that's how you take the battery out to charge it. So I'll go and do that now, and then we'll do the rest. Okay, so instruction booklet. At first I thought, blimey, that's quite a lot, but it's only the first few pages that are in English. The rest of it is all in different languages. So it's got the normal, just layout, operations in use, fault finding, problem shooting, maintenance, and then on the next page, excuse me taking forever, it's just got how to put together. So it does come with two lances. Apparently it does say on here, if you're using corrosive material, like a corrosive substance to spray, it does recommend using the fiberglass one, not the metal one. And the metal one is telescopic, so if you loosen the top off, it will extend to give you a bit of a further reach. That's quite handy. And then the back support, have a look at the instructions, is literally, not entirely sure which way around it says, doesn't really say proper instructions, but there's two little notches there, and literally just slide, it must be that way then, slide, he says, slide, and then it fits on, so it gives you a bit of back support when you've got it on your back. Okay, so as I said, it does come in quite an array of nozzles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different nozzles. Looks like there's a couple of spare O-rings in there as well. But by the look of it, the O-rings are already on situ. So the instructions, it's just to fit the nozzle first. So there's already an O-ring in there. So whatever nozzle you're going to use, you're going to attach that onto there first. Then it says to attach it to the handle. So again, there's already a little rubber O-ring in there already. Screw that one on. Make sure it's hand tight. And then with the hose, by the look of it, it's identical each end, so you can't put the wrong end on. So we're going to attach the hose to the end. So as far as assembly goes, I think so far it's pretty straightforward really. In the instruction book there is a QR code with a link to a YouTube video for assembly, but as I say, it's pretty straightforward. And then the other end is a little rubber stopper on the end there, and then we can attach the other end to the actual body of the machine. It's quite nice. It's got these little protectors on the end, so you're not likely to kink on the end. So assembly wise, that was pretty straightforward really. Nice little feature as well, it's got on the other side, there's like a sort of dry compartment, so you can put all your spare nozzles and other bits in there, and all your washers, so you don't lose everything. And then on the side here, there was this little thing which I wasn't quite sure, but on the top here, near the main filler thing, there's a little plastic bit that sticks out and actually sits on top, so you can rest your lance in. So I'll charge the battery up, fill it up, and then we'll see what it actually sprays like. And then to operate it, on the side, so when it's on your back, it will be on the left hand side. So there's a little flap there, you can see there's the on off switch, and then there's a little dial there that can turn the pressure up and down. So once it's filled up, we'll give that a whirl. Okay, so I've got the, I don't know what this nozzle is, it's got 4 little holes. I've just got feed in here at the moment. So you can hear it's fairly quiet when it's in operation. I've just got feed, so I'm going to feed all of these things. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see how far the spray goes. I'm standing back here, what am I, 1, 2, 3, 4 meters away. This is on the sort of showery spray, I suppose. And it's still got a fair old reach on it. I don't know if you can see from here how far it's going. So it's pretty powerful, in fairness, for a spray. And as far as hand sprayers go, it's doing a pretty good job. I'm quite impressed. Try and see how far it is. I can see we've got a black background. You can see where the end of the nozzle is. You can see, so that's reaching a good, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 meters, if not more. So yeah, pretty strong. Quite impressed with that. I bought this predominantly because I wanted to clean the moss off the roof and put some moss killer on the roof. So I think if I stood at the top of a ladder, I think that would probably reach the apex of the roof. So I'm quite pleased. So yeah, all in all, pretty good, pretty good.